in this big old box. My first impression is, man, this sucker's a little bit on the heavy side. Take a look at that. Wow. If you really look at the workmanship of these blades, even by a single one by itself, that sucker's heavy. And then look at the workmanship on that. Looks like it'd be ready to mulch up a lawn really good. Comes with 3 blades. Coated really nice. And that's freaking awesome. Looks like they probably last a long time. It doesn't look shabby like some that I've seen before. Okay, unfortunately, these blades, as wonderful as they are, and boy, would I love to put them on my freaking lawnmower, they are for a 54-inch, and mine is a 42-inch Husqvarna, so they're not going to work. Man, I'm really disappointed. I would love to try them on, but it's just not possible. I was going to try to send them to a buddy of mine, but he has a 50-inch, and I don't know anyone that has a 54-inch, and it just breaks my heart because I would love to try these out. But we're going to go ahead and contact the company and let them know about the mistake, and hopefully we can get this rectified so I can get me some cutting in. These guys look like they really do some good cutting, so hopefully we can get another chance at trying them out and installing them and doing a video on it. Well guys, if you like what you see, I greatly appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. But look at the workmanship. Oh my gosh, can't believe it. I had to talk over it because I said that they were 50-inch, and I apologize, my mistake. So I wanted to re-record this, but the workmanship is unbelievable. So if you please check them out, and the link I'll be leaving in the description, and I will split a picture in there of the company somewhere in the video so you can see where you can order these guys from Amazon. They come lickety split, and you just put in your parts number, and you know they don't waste their time. You don't have to worry about getting it overseas. You're getting them right here in America. Thanks a lot. This is what my blade looks like. If you look at the difference, mine is thinner and lighter. That's strong and beefier. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this company. Please check them out. Thank you.